This AI software can help you to create a blog from a video within 30 seconds. Be sure to check out this AI video to the end. Before introducing you guys this AI software, let me show you guys the outcome. So I created this blog. I did not type it up myself. I did not include this blog title myself, but it's being created by an AI software that I'm using. All I need to do is just to give the AI software the video that I've created, or it can be like a YouTube link, and then they create all this content for me entirely, including this screenshot. It's also being produced and captured by them as well. Isn't it amazing? And I absolutely loving this, so that's what I want to share with you guys. So this software I'm using is called VideoToBlog.ai. So in fact, just now before I begin this video, I retest again, and this is the outcome of the other blog that I actually created with the screenshot as well, created by VideoToBlog.ai. So if let's say you're checking this out right now, they are still running a promotion in appsumo. You can check it out with only $59 per month. Not per month. $59 one-time payment. You can create 10 blogs per month, which I think is just insane. So if let's say you want to check it out, you can check it out at my link down below, which is my referral link, if let's say you've been loving this. So let's come back to this video to blog, what it can do and how it can do. So it is very simple. Now, when I'm actually logged into this dashboard, I actually purchase it. Okay, all I need to do is just to hit the plus button over here, and you can choose to upload a file or include like the YouTube link. So now I have this particular tutorial where I share like how you can export Facebook group members using a software that I'm using. So I'm just going to put that into the link over here. So then this software, it will actually ask you some configuration questions. So right now they are actually fetching the video. So they have fetched a video successfully. They are going to ask you some question like, do you want to add visual? My answer is yes. And the visuals that I want to add, there are a few options in VideoToBlog. It's either you want to have like AI generated image, stock images, or video thumbnail. For me, I just want to like have it from the video itself. All right, I want to add like screenshot, but I don't really want to add like stock images, so I think it's fine. And I want to add links, so maybe the links in the description, you can input any links that you want. So for example, maybe the links is I want you guys to join my Facebook group. All right, if let's say you love all this video and software that I'm introduced, you want to join my Facebook group, and my Facebook group, you can go over to www.amazingstory. It's amazingstory.co. That's where you can join. So this is one of the links, and also you can add CTA as well. My CTA, I have pre-configured a CTA before that. It's called like it's a very big one. You can, for example, I have pre-configured one free ChatGPT course. You can have like description here. You can even have like a button link here, and what's the text here, and you can configure the color as well. So you can add call to action at the very bottom of your blog being created by VideoToBlog as well. But since I have created, I'm just going to pick this one. There are more options available, which I don't think you necessarily need to pick, but I just want to let you know that these options are available in VideoToBlog. Like you can control the length, it's a short or medium language, what kind of tone that you want to write. They have a lot of different tones, professional, informal, but I just like to let the AI to detect from my video what kind of like language I'm using, so that's why I'm picking it as auto. Right? You can tell them like a point of view, whether first person, second person, or third person, and primary key phrase. It's actually I'm talking about a Acer portable monitor. All right, portable monitor. It's probably my keywords, and I do. Oh no, I'm not talking about the portable monitor. So it could be like extract Facebook group members. It's my primary phrase. So you can do that. You can add table of contents and add FAQ, but I don't think that those are important. I just want to show you guys like what are the things that you can actually configure. So you can add like emojis, use chapter as outline. If there are nothing much that you want to edit, you can just go to create a blog. So I'm just going to create a blog and let's see how long it takes. So usually when I hit the create blog, it will take about 10 to 15 seconds to let the AI software in VideoToBlog to kind of like capture the information and capture the settings. So firstly, they will start the process by transcribing. Depending on your video length as well, VideoToBlog took about, I think about 10 seconds to 20 seconds easily to transcribe the entire video. My video length, let's check out. My video was about 13 minutes, so let's check it out if they are able to transcribe easily. So yeah, now they got the transcript. So once they have got the transcript from VideoToBlog, they will start generating the blog and generating the outline. So it works pretty fast, and the first time that I saw, like, yeah, it created for me, it's amazing. And you can see like they give a really good title, and they have like the header, they also have like the content, which is just amazing, and I absolutely loving this. So you can check like this is the entire blog they are writing. So they actually separate the writing for VideoToBlog into two segments. So first, they will transcribe, and then secondly, they will rewrite the sections, and then third, they will start by adding the screenshot images or automated stock images created by AI as well. So I personally love, because I do a lot of tutorial based kind of videos, so that's why I love to use a photo from the video itself. Okay, so now it's 68%. I believe they are adding the images soon. Right now, they are generating the SEO metadata and adding the screenshot. I really love that they actually update us that what they are doing right now. So they are updating the screenshot. I have not seen any yet, so let's just let the AI works in the background, okay? So by the way, if let's say you guys been loving this channel, I really love to talk about AI software and software in general to help me to improve my productivity and efficiency when it comes to my business. So do remember to comment at the video down below if you've been loving this so far, or subscribe to my YouTube channel so that YouTube will actually recommend this video to even more people like you. Okay, so so now it's done. So they have finished adding the screenshot. So this is my video. I want to embed the video, right? So this is a screenshot from the video itself. I did not do anything. Screenshot as well. So it is a very well written piece of article. And of course, if let's say you do not love it, you can regenerate, but I absolutely love everything. So remember, just now we actually included a call to actions. So this is a call to action that we included at the end, which is a free course on how to use ChatGPT to power up with productivity. If let's say you guys want to check it out, it's free as well. It's at junlo.net/ChatGPT. So it's pretty amazing on how easy this VideoToBlog is helping me to write the entire article. So you have few options. You can regenerate or you can export. So when you export, I love to export in PDF and then I actually input it into my WordPress myself, but you do have a second options where you can connect your WordPress, directly connect it with VideoToBlog and also Blogger, Shopify, Wix as well, or you want to share it. They put it like an easy sharing purpose. You can directly integrate. Okay, I tried to integrate myself with my WordPress, but I believe that my WordPress has some security in place, which is an extension in place where the extension blocked it. So otherwise, it's pretty simple, but I prefer to kind of like I don't like to integrate too much of things to my WordPress just in case that there's a viruses or anything. So I prefer to actually download in PDF and have my team to help me to upload for it. So you can actually download in PDF. So I'm just going to click PDF right now. They are going to download it. So the first ever time that I'm using this VideoToBlog, I was blown away. So if let's say you guys are really doing a lot of videos like me, you do not want to waste each of your video as a property, you want to check it out. They're still running a promotion at appsumo, only $59 one time, and then you're able to create like 10 blogs in a month, which is just awesome. So let me just show you guys my PDF copy. So I have successfully downloaded the PDF copy. So over here, it's where this is the entire blog that I created. And of course, you don't need to be downloaded in PDF copy. It can be a Word document as well. So let us check what else are the settings that we can do. Okay, can you guys see that? That is this content analyzer. So let us just click that in VideoToBlog. So apparently you can check if what is the blog post score, right? And then you want to be able to use this AI content detector, like whether it's being like written by AI. If let's say you don't love it, you can click Humanize. Then they will help you to rewrite it. This will rewrite your blog in an attempt to bypass the AI detector, like Phrasely AI. So I'm just going to humanize it. All right. And it also tell me like what is the content structure. Okay, so it has been rewritten and blog successfully humanized, and then they are right now trying to detect the AI content detector is working behind the scenes, and let us just check out the score later on. And then yeah, these are the key phrase analysis they are going to input for you. So basically, yep, it plus 10 points, which is just awesome. So that's why it is pretty amazing. They even like prepare the SEO metadata data and description and tag for you as well, so that you guys just directly use this as well. And you can also take out the transcriptions or download the images. So to me, if let's say you've been doing videos, like whether it's a tutorial based video, you just do not want to waste your video. You want to have like a video property as well as like a blog property. That's the reason why this absolutely saved my time and my team's time a lot in creating the blog that we want to have. So if let's say you haven't checked out my blog, you can check it out at amazing.june.com. That is my blog, and I hope that you guys been loving this. Let's check out the AppSumo plan. As of now, it's 2024 November. So if let's say when you check this video, this AppSumo has been taken down, they don't have this promotion anymore, you can also check out my description link down below, which is my affiliate link and referral link to VideoToBlog, and I think they are pretty reasonable. So first, I'm just going to show you guys what is the price in AppSumo and what are the coverage, and then I'm going to reference back to VideoToBlog what is the normal pricing, just in case for you guys who are living in the future, you kind of like stumble across this, you want to know the pricing. So into AppSumo, it's $59 as of now, one-time payment, and for the one-time payment, you get to like 10 blogs per month. You can also upgrade like 20 blogs per month with a higher fee. So now we are going to check out the pricing. So my affiliate link for VideoToBlog, if let's say AppSumo is no longer available, it's over here. You can check it out. So this is the pricing. To me, I feel like it's very, very generous as well. At $9 per month, 10 blog posts, unlimited regeneration video up to 3 hours. You can even use this to actually do the transcription for you, okay? Or you want to have like 30 blogs, that would be like $29 per month. I feel like this is just amazing. So yeah, so if let's say you watch this video until the end and you absolutely love this, comment love this down below so that YouTube actually will recommend this video to even more amazing people just like you. And also, if let's say you've been loving to use all these different AI tools, you do not want to miss out my free ChatGPT course at juno.net/ChatGPT. And with that, I will see you guys in the next episode, where I'm just going to introduce even more amazing AI software and tools that I'm personally using. I'll see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye bye.